Okay, so in today's class, we are discussing about the hyperlinks, iframes, images. These three topics we are going to be discussing today. And hyperlinks are creating with the A tag, and A is going to be having href attribute. Href, which is going to be an attribute. Attribute and tag always need to have a space. And then whenever you are defining some attribute, a value should be have the single quotes or double quotes both. And inside the A, we are providing the link name. Inside in the A, we are providing the link name. Link name, whatever you want, you can provide. Okay, for example, if I want to create a program like this, okay, so in the body, I'm taking the hyperlink like this. But inside the href, I'm just giving like a google.com. Google.com is the link name. Okay, save it and launch it. Open in the browser. When you are opening in the browser, okay, so Google is there. And when I click on the Google, it will connect to the Google page. When I click on the Google, it will connect to the Google page and go back. Now I want to take the one more hyperlink, but before taking the one more hyperlink, what I want to do is I will say something like a BR. BR is the break line. And after that, I want to take another link like this. I want to take the another link like this. But this hyperlink, I want to open with the new tab. Google open in new tab. I want to open the Google in the new tab. Whenever you want to see a new tab, you need to give the one more attribute called target underscore blank. Target attribute is mandatory. For the target attribute, I need to give the underscore blank. When I say target is equal to underscore blank, automatically what is going to be happening is this hyperlink is going to be open with the new tag. Let me see the output of the program. So there are two hyperlinks are there. First hyperlink, which is opening with the same tab. I go back. When I click on the Google open in the new tab, when I click on the Google open in the new tab, it will open the new tab. So hyperlink is our program, our HTML. But when I click on the second one, it is actually taking the new tab like this. Can you see how many tabs I'm clicking on the second one? It is opening Google number of other tags. Hyperlink is opening with the new tab is different. Hyperlink opening with the new tab is different. Suppose, for example, if I go like google.com like this. So suppose if I want to open this Google search in the new tab, so right click on this. Okay, suppose I want to search for HTML tutorials. Okay, so I'm trying to searching for HTML tutorials. There are multiple tutorials out there. If you want to see the first link in the new tab, right click on this, open in the new tab. Open link in the new tab is there, na? Open link in the new tab is there, na? That is actually. So here, when I search for something, a lot of pages are displaying here. All the pages are hyperlinks. This is one hyperlink. This is one hyperlink. This is one hyperlink. Everything is hyperlink in the browser. Everything, every blue color one is hyperlink here. Every blue color one is hyperlink. Every blue color one is hyperlink. See, this is the one hyperlink. Everything here, this is one hyperlink. Everything is hyperlink. Okay, so those hyperlinks only we are trying to designing today. Those hyperlinks only we are designing today, but I am trying to opening the hyperlink with the new tab. Whenever you want to see the new tab, a very important attribute called a target attribute. Target is equal to underscore blank. This is a program for hyperlinks. Okay, let me keep the program also in hyperlinks. This is the program, sample program. So the program also I'm copying here. Right. The next topic after hyperlinks, I want to go for the iframes. How iframes will be? Iframes are basically using like inner frames in your website. Inner frames in your website. Whenever you want to see some inner frames in your website, see whenever you see some websites like real estate websites, when you see some real estate websites, they are actually posting a video related to the real estate company. They have some company. By this company, they are promoting a video. Their video is available already in the YouTube. They want to promote the video inside the website. In that situations, for example, I will show one thing. There is a website like this. There is a website like this. This is something like a real estate website. This is something like a real estate website. For this website, they are actually promoting the video in the bottom of the page. And this is actually playing from YouTube. But whenever they want to promote a YouTube video in the website, they want to take another frame inside. This is actually called inner frame. This is actually called inner frame. Inner frame, which is actually available in the existing website. Inner frame, which is actually available inside the website. Okay, give me 1 second. Inner frame, which is going to be available inside the website. I want to show an inner frame like this. Whenever you want to show inner frame like this, what I want to do. Okay, so iframe is the tag for that. Iframe is the tag for that, and iframe should have the attribute called src. Iframe is the attribute called src. Src is the attribute for the iframe. SRC is the attribute for the iframe. So iframe, how much width iframe I want. For example, I want width is 100 and height is also 100, something like this. Height is 100, width 200. I want to show my inner frame, width 200, height 100 pixel. Yes, you can show like this. Okay, so let me show some iframe now. Let me show some iframe now. I am taking new program here and save it as iframe.html. iframe.html, right? Okay, let me start the program, and this program related to the iframes. Okay, so I want to see some iframe now. Okay, let me open YouTube here. Okay, so from YouTube, I want to see some video. I want to see some video. Let me see some video like this. Okay. Yeah, whatever the video you want. Okay. Let me open this video. Let me open this video. I want to play this video. I want to play this video in my website. How to play this video in my website is very simple. Okay, just click on the share button. Just click on the embed button, and you can see some iframe here. This video has some iframe internally designed. Just copy the iframe from this. Copy the iframe from this and paste in your source code. Paste in your body. Paste in your body. This iframe is a very bigger one. So auto allow full screen, I am just removing. SRC only I keep. Allow full screen attribute not required. And reference, this refer policy attribute not required. And yeah, this much enough. This much enough. And this iframe is width 560, height 315. 1 second, guys. Just a few seconds, guys. Okay, wait for a few seconds. I will take the session. Okay, so this is one thing. This is called iframe. Okay, let me launch this iframe have a width 560 and height 315. Okay, let me launch this. Open in the browser. If I launch this browser, okay, can you see the iframe here? And this is our website. This is our website, but I have some iframe. Okay, let me show something. Let me take a paragraph inside. Let me take a paragraph inside. Okay, I'm taking a paragraph inside. Let me take a paragraph inside. Okay, 2 paragraphs I'm taking. After the 2 paragraphs, I want to show the iframe. After the 2 paragraphs, I want to show the iframe. So 2 paragraphs, this is my website. Already paragraphs are displaying. At the same time, after the paragraphs, I'm having some iframe. And after the iframe, I want to show another paragraph also. If you want to show another paragraph after the this one. Okay. After the iframe, I want to show one more paragraph. Yeah, you can show one more paragraph also. In this way, you can design your iframes. Iframes are basically inner frames. So this is your website. Your website is actually continuing with your data, but inside the web page, you are going to be having the iframe like this. No, sir, I want to take 2 iframes, 2 different videos I want to display. two iframes, two different videos I want to display. Yes, you can take one more iframe here. And a number of iframes you can display in the website. That is not an issue. So I can see two iframes at the same time. You can display a number of videos like this in your web page. I hope everybody got to understand Bhavani, Dayashala, Shravani, Shivani, and Sumarshini. How iframes are going to be designing inside the websites and all. If any questions are there, please raise your hand or ping me in the chat box. This is what actually about the iframes and all. And let's come to the one more topic, images. So how to display images in the websites? How to display images in the websites? Images are images are displaying with images are displaying with IMG tag. Okay, IMG SRC. SRC is the attribute, source attribute. SRC is the attribute, source attribute. So whenever I want to show some image on my website, I need to go with the SRC. Let me. Okay, so IMG SRC. So inside the SRC, I need to paste some image link. Let me take some image link from the Google. So let me open some flowers images kind of things. Let me open some images like this. Go to images here and take a image like this and copy the image link here. Copy image link and keep inside the SRC. Keep inside the SRC. When I am keeping inside the SRC, okay. So sorry, I did not created. This is okay. This is just like nodes. Okay, I want to prepare the new program for the images. New program for the images. Images dot HTML. And here also I'm taking the tag called img tag images. Inside the body, I'm taking the code source code. Let me open this. Open in the browser. Here I can see some image over there. Here I can see some image over there. Everybody can see image here. Everybody can see image here. Okay, sir, I want to take a multiple image, sir. And you can take the multiple images, multiple IMG tags, and SRC you can change. SRC you can take different images. You can take different images, and different images will come in the website. Different images you can able to see. See in Amazon, in Flipkart, how the data is coming. How the data is coming. If you open Amazon site, if you open Amazon.in, if you open Amazon.in, how Amazon is going to be displaying the products, how Amazon is going to be displaying the products, like different kind of products Amazon is displaying. Use like images. Use like images and hyperlinks. After the image, some hyperlink. Suppose, for example, let me take something. How Amazon site is. How Amazon site is. This is the Amazon site. So this is the header, and this is the search bar. And when I search for something, and it will display a image like this and some hyperlink, image and hyperlink, image and hyperlink. Okay, image and hyperlink. If I search for iPhones here, all iPhones are displaying like this. When you click on this hyperlink, it will navigate to the another page and it will show the another page, the product, the related details. So something like this, you can able to design your websites and create your websites. Something like this, you can able to create your website and design your websites. Ahmad, Bhavani, Dayashala, Shravani, Nasarav, Shivani, Sumarshini. You can understand all the things. So IMG is the tag, SRC is the source attribute. No, sir, I want to download a new image into my folder. Okay, 22 by 10 folder. Let me download some image. So, okay, let me keep these pink roses. Okay, save image as in my folder. Okay, desktop and UI folder 22 by 10. My image name is something like one JPEG. My image name is local file now. But even local files also you can able to load. Okay, I want to load the one more image as a local file. Okay, delete these two. And I want to load the local image now. If you want to load the local image, you can load the local image also, img src. And this is something like 1.jpeg. That is the local file. Local file link is not required. Just reference your name of the image. Provide the reference of your name of the image. So when you are providing the reference of the name of the image, automatically you can see the name of the image came. So that rose pink roses with pink color, which is actually local file. This is the local file, and these two images, this is the local image. These two images are loading from the copy URL. These two images are loading from the copy URL, but this image is coming from the local. Okay, so this is the way of designing your images. This is the way of designing your images. Hope everybody can understand how the images are going to be displaying here. I hope everybody understand iframes. Everybody understand hyperlinks. Everybody understand images. Please reply me in the chat box. Let us go with the one more tag, one more new tag. Yes, good. Yes, good. Let us go with the new tag called tables. Let me go with the new tag called tables now. Let me go with the new tag called tables. Okay, tables are important in HTML. Tables designed with table tag. Tables designed with the table tag. Table open, table close. Table open, table close. Table contained. Table contained. Table rows. Table row defined with table row defined with tr tag. Table row defined with the tr tag. So one table can have multiple trs. One table can have multiple trs, multiple table rows. One table can have multiple trs. Tr is the table row. Okay, every row, for example, how the table is designing, I will show how the table is designing. I will draw the picture. So this is the table, and table have some rows like this, and table have some columns like this. Okay, this is actually called tr. And how many trs are there? Here in this table, I have three trs like this, three trs. But each and every tr, I have the column data. This is the column data. How many columns are there? Four columns are there. Columns are defining with the td tags. Columns are defining with the td tags. So first tr 1, 2, 3, 4. Four tds are there. Second tr also four tds are there. Third tr also four tds are there. Got my point? First table row we have four columns. Second table row we have four columns. Third table row also we have four columns. End of the day, I want to display the complete data using by the tables. Okay, inside the tr, inside the each and every tr. Okay, let me write down. Inside tr, we can define table data or column with the td tag. With the td tag. So let me take the same table like this. Copy the same table, and inside the tr, I should have some td. Okay, the first TD, second TD, third TD kind of data. Okay, TD, this is the TD, this is another TD, this is another TD, this is another TD. Okay, the first TD is something like serial number. Second TD is something like name. Third TD is something like a qualification. And fourth TD is something like age. Four TDs are there. Let's copy this, paste here, paste here. Serial number called 1. The person name called Swapna. Qualification BTech. Age is 23. Serial number 2. Nandini. TD. and her name is something like Nandini. Sorry. And qualification something like MCA, and age is something like 26. Okay, so you can have a number of values with TRs again, but the first TR representing header of the particular table, and two more TRs are representing values of the table in this particular scenario. Okay, let me define the table. Let me define the table, copy the data, and take the new program, save it as table.html. Table.html. So let me define tables, table. Okay, so I will paste the data. I will paste the data. So the data is available now. Table is there. Inside the table, multiple TRs are there. Okay, so save it and run the program. Open in the browser. You can see the browser now with the table data. But table is there. Table data is there, but it is not look feel good. The structure is not good, and rows and columns are not good. For the table, important attributes we have to remember. Table have some attribute called border. I need to specify some border, and I need to specify some width for the table. Width of the table, something like 100%. 100% of the screen I need to occupy. 100% width means 100% of the screen I need to occupy the table. So when I am representing the table like this, can you see now? Table is actually occupying the full width of the page. Now serial number, name, qualification, age, everything is serial number, name, age, qualification. This is something like a top row. Top row is representing as header. Top row is representing as header, but remaining data 1 Swapna BTech 23, 2 Nandini MCA 26. This representing as values. But you see one thing, the header is different. I want to make header is different. I want to make header something like bold. I want to make a header something like a center alignment kind of thing. I want to make header center alignment kind of thing, and I want to place the values like this. See, for example, the same table, I want to design like this. I want to define a table like this. Then I have multiple rows, and then I have the columns like this. Okay, so here the data should be available as the header. Header data should be in the center of the column, and value should be here. Value should be here, and header need to be highlighted. Header need to be highlighted comparing to the values. So when I want to design the table like this, what we can do for the tables? What we can do for the tables? I will do one. Okay, let me give the comment for this. Okay, table with no header. Table with no header. Okay, so for this, you can give the comment, select the code and control / commenting the code. And I want to design a table with header special, table with header special. This is also comment. Select the code and control / is commenting the code. Okay, whenever you want to define a table like that, you can define your table with two sections. The first section of the table is T header. Second section of the table is T body. First section of table is T head. Second section of the table is T body. So for T head, you can define a table row. For T head, you can define a table row that need to be highlighted. And here, I don't give the TD tag. I need to give the TH tag. So serial number. The first TH is serial number. Second TH is name. And the third TH is qualification. And fourth TH is something like age. Okay, four different columns I want to define. And last one is age. Okay, data is actually common. Data is these two rows are data. Let me copy the two rows of previous table and copying the data. And here I have only two values like Swapna Nandini kind of thing. But my requirement is a table should have some required attributes. Now, one is the border attribute. Border is 1 pixel or 2 pixel. and the width of the table should be 100%. Width of the table should be 100%. Now you can see the table. Now you can see two tables. Now you can see two tables here. So what is the difference between the top table and below table? What is the difference between the top table and below table? Anybody? Please respond with me. What is the difference between the top table and below table? We have two tables here. The first table and second table. Second table, first table, data is same. First table and second table, data is same. But what is the difference? That and this. What is the difference between that and this? Ahmad, Bhavani, Daivshala, Shravani, Varsarao, Shivani, Sumaharshi. What is the difference between that and this? Please join one more time. The session is ending now. Please join one more time. If the session is going to be end, please join one more time. The session will be continued. Session will be continued. Please join one more. Yeah. So give me the comments. Yeah. Font style change. Font style change.